This pandemic encouraged us to rethink about any other foreseen emergencies in order to anticipate, be prepared, and respond to crisis. We have different arrangements for site activities. As soon as the project handed over to the technical team, we will start preparing COVID-19 mitigation plans. This is a new normal of project's health and safety risk assessment. The first COVID-19 mitigation plan implemented for a smelter carbon anode project, where we have distributed the team on more than one accommodation, planned shift pattern, and conducted PCR tests for all employees before project executions. To manage COVID-19 crisis, Field Services Gulf team have established and implemented business resilience and response plan that describes 5 levels of emergencies and actions. The first level, identified as low risk, where the country recorded few positive cases and no restrictions from the local authorities. Level 5 is the highest level, where the company anticipated to go for temporary business lockdown. Currently, we are working between level 2 and 3. As there are some government restrictions, number of cases is still high, but many employees are vaccinated and they are more aware of the virus and control measures.
I want to share you some experience regarding against COVID-19. When you visit our workshop, you are requested to scanning one QR code. When you do the questionnaire, you should submit the track information for the past 14 days. Whether you contact with people from medium high risk area. After that, you will receive the temperature test and ensure your hands disinfected. Of course, you must wear the mask correctly at all the time. If abnormal found, don't worry. An exclusive room had been prepared, and you will be sent to here immediately for further confirmation. Fortunately, most of our employees had a vaccination by Chinese government.
A contractor compliance audit is conducted online based on a checklist contains all COVID-19 legal and other requirements. Normally it takes 3 hours to check various points, such as written procedures, contractor COVID-19 records, labor accommodation status, awareness of the employees, and others.
5 Scrum-Egg takes the development with COVID-19 very seriously and is eager to make any effort to contain the pandemic. Therefore, we are now tackling the asymptomatic cases. According to various studies, the number of unreported cases of COVID infected is 4 times higher. Such cases can be discovered with the sampling taken by our employees. The process is twice a week. If the result is positive, the person concerned and the contact person are isolated.
Field Services Gulf run PCR and rapid test campaigns for employees working under our responsibility. This is carried out in coordination with the private healthcare sector. The purpose of these tests is identifying asymptomatic cases and allow early intervention to stop virus spread and reduce further consequences.
We have technicians going abroad for maintenance and repair jobs at customer site. Depending on the destiny, our employees need to rest in quarantine in the hotel room for a specific time. To make it more comfortable for them in these difficult times, we have put together a safety and well-being kit. We encourage our employees to keep fit and keep their motivation high.